Say these bars are like COVID, you get them right off the bat. Infected with SARS and Corona, like you took a bite off of that. Then it goes from Martian to human, that's how the virus attacks. They come at me with machine guns, like trying to fight off a net. Still stacking my chips, hoes, higher than Shaq on his tiptoes. Top the Empire State Building, this shit is like child's play children. I will annihilate, kill them, I fuck around and pile 8 million dead little juveniles. Wait children, I'll await my trial, they tilting. Ain't nothing you say could ever trump, Mike Pence will get killed. If you're hypersensitive, I wasn't referencing the vice president, chill. I mean my penmanship at times tends to get ill. Violence but with skill, that's why I hints when I write ends up with a mic and pencil getting killed. Yeah, and I'm still ride or die for the squad, so you know which side that I'm on if a battle line's ever drawn. But if I get involved, it'll be like canines in a brawl, but not similar to Mike Pick It Off. Cause even if I don't have a dog in the fight, they ain't never gonna get rid of the fight in the dog. Got stripes like a tiger, so you might get mauled. A mic in the palms like claws, I can swing right for your jaw and rip it off with one swipe of the paw. Bitch, you still on my dick or no? If I suck, your wife is a straw. I'm sick and I'm